Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making vegan Hasselback potatoes using an air fryer. In this dish, potatoes are cut about halfway through into thin fan-like slices and then cooked till the outer layer or the outer skin gets crispy, and we are going to make them using an air fryer. So let's get started. I'm taking 4 potatoes for this recipe and planning not to remove the skin, but if you want you can. Then I'm taking these wooden straws to help me not to cut through the potatoes. You can use wooden spoons or any kind of separators to help you not cut through the potatoes. Try to cut them in thin slices. You see how these wooden straws are helping me not to cut after a certain point? Awesome, right? After this point, I will turn the potato to help me cut it better. Repeat the same for the rest of the potatoes. You have to cut them to the point where you can separate the layers of the potatoes easily and the potatoes stay in one piece. Look at these beautiful layers. If the potatoes are round, they might be wobbly. Mine is flatter towards the bottom, but if yours is round, then slice the potato to make it flatter so it doesn't move. Next, let's prepare the olive oil mix. To a bowl, add around 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and mix everything. Apply olive oil to the tray and brush it evenly. And then place the potatoes on the tray. You can use the wire rack as well while air frying the potatoes. Now apply the olive oil mix on top of the potato skin. This will help us to get that crispy outer skin. We are applying the seasoned olive oil only on the outer layer and not on the inside. We will air fry the potatoes for 7 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's get the vegan butter dressing ready. To a small pan, add 2 tablespoons or more of vegan butter. Make sure that the heat is set to low so the butter doesn't burn. Then add finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic. Let the garlic cook for 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of oregano, and mix everything. Even though the garlic might be just semi-cooked, it will get infused with the vegan butter and will get cooked along with the potatoes in the air fryer. After 7 minutes, take out the potatoes from the air fryer. Now start applying the vegan butter dressing on top of the potatoes. Be generous with it. And then we will start applying them in between the layers. Make sure you go through every single layer of potato to apply the vegan butter dressing. Next step is optional, but you can add some rosemary for the great aroma. We are going to air fry the potatoes for 35 to 40 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. I have some olive oil left. I'm adding some chopped cilantro to it and mixing it nicely. And I feel that the olive oil is little less, so I'm going to add some more, and this feels perfect. After 40 minutes, the Hasselback potatoes are ready. Just look at them, golden and crispy. Now brush some olive oil and cilantro mix on top of it. This step is again optional, but I like to do it. The outer skin is so crispy and golden, and the potatoes are so soft and tender at the center. You can make them the main highlight of your lunch or add it as a side dish. It can be paired with so many other recipes. Did you know that the Hasselback potatoes got their name from the Swedish restaurant where they were invented and popularized? The restaurant was called Hasselbacken, and these potatoes were first served there in 1953. Amazing, right? I'm going to air fry them for another 10 minutes and you'll see how they look. Cooking them for 40 minutes is actually perfect, but if you like them to be even more crispier, go for an additional 10 minutes. I'm adding some more freshly chopped cilantro. You can use parsley as well. That was easy, right? Try this scrumptious recipe at home and share your feedback in the comment section. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I used to make this video in the description section. And if you are still looking for easy vegan meals, check out this playlist right here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting mouth-watering vegan recipe. Until then, bye.